Well, can you believe it? The 8-month wait for the Redskins and Robert Griffin III to hit the field is now down to just a matter of hours. The season kicking off tonight against the Philadelphia Eagles, and kickoff is scheduled for 6:55. But the party is already underway. Brianne Carter begins our team coverage from FedEx Field.
Outside FedEx Field, the fanfare is already underway.
Why wait? We're ready for football. We've been waiting for 6 months for this.
In their Redskins-themed Jeep, season ticket holders Chris and Christy Lopez pulled into the parking lot ready to tailgate more than 12 hours before kickoff.
We got up at 4, left the house by 5, and got here at 6.
Also here early is Mike Justice. Justice, a lifelong fan who now lives in Dubai, planned his vacation around the season opener against the Philadelphia Eagles.
RG3's back, division rivalry, Monday night. The Redskins fan, where else to be?
Much of the excitement of tonight's game surrounds Robert Griffin III's return to the field. Tonight, he'll play his first game with the hometown team since his knee surgery several months ago. While many fans are thrilled he's back for week 1,
the boy looks good.
Season ticket holder Rodney Johnson says he's not sure the star quarterback should be taking snaps.
If you're going to have this guy for our franchise quarterback, why risk it?
These fans, though, say they can't wait to get inside the stadium for what will no doubt be a big game for the Burgundy and Gold.
I've already ordered my halls because I forgot them, because I don't expect to have a voice come tomorrow.
And remember, if you're coming to the game tonight, no big purses like this. These you're going to have to leave inside the car. This because of that new bag policy where you can only bring in a very small purse or a 12 by 12 clear plastic bag. At FedEx Field, Brianne Carter, ABC 7 News.